How's it going? My name is Chef Red. I'm the owner here at Red's 615. I've been a chef in the Nashville zone for about 15 years. So I graduated from culinary school when I was 21. Went straight into the restaurant business. I've worked at places like Table 3, 1808 Grill. I was the head chef at Commodore East. Took about a year off. About 6 or 7 years ago, moved out to Colorado to take a break from the chef life for a little bit. Actually wound up as a grow manager out there, so that was a fun little break. And then while I was out there, I decided I wanted to start my own thing, and I decided to do a food truck. And I tried to start the food truck out there in Denver because there was absolutely zero hot chicken in the area at that time. But banks wouldn't give me my loan, and I ended up getting laid off and had to move back here to Nashville, which actually wound up working out great because I talked to my local bank here, got a loan, and then we started the food truck that same year that I moved back. I think what makes us stand out is our spice recipe is a little bit different than most spots around town. There's some of the hot chicken OG diehards who say no brown sugar and hot chicken spice. Blasphemy, you can't have hot chicken with that. We're like, if it's good, it's good. I think the community has starting to support us more and more because we actually moved into this brick and mortar location during COVID. I signed off on this restaurant space in January of 2021, 2020 actually. So perfect time to expand into an actual restaurant space when the entire world was closing the restaurant doors. So keeping this place open has definitely been a struggle over the past couple years. I've had several days and nights where I'm just thinking it's not gonna work, not gonna happen, and then the next day the people in community will show up and we just have a record-breaking sales day, and you know, that kind of revamps your dedication and your love for what you do and what you're doing, and makes you not want to give up. We mix our spice mix with warm lard that is heated to about 165, 170. Now what a lot of spots will do is they'll take the oil straight out of the deep fryer, which is about 325 to 350, and they'll put that into their spice mix. But being a chef, I find that will burn your spices, and especially if you have the brown sugar in it like we do, it will burn it pretty easily. But in order to bloom your spices, which will really bring out the flavors and the smells with it, you need to mix it with hot oil that's at least 155, but no higher than 225, 250. Good for like it. All right, and for the crunch wrap, our most popular thing on the menu, do a big old scoop of the mac and cheese. A bit of our comeback sauce. Get some pickles on there. Can't eat anything that does not have bacon on it. Of course, get your bacon. And then top it with the delicious hot chicken. Fold it up, nice and pretty. And toast her up.